How to fix Rocket League stuck on start screen. 1. Restart your console, PS4, PS5, Xbox or Nintendo Switch. 2. Uninstall and reinstall the Rocket League game on your device. 3. Ensure your console has enough storage space. 4. Check ET-League game server status. 5. Delete Epic friends and pending friend requests. 6. Update Rocket League. 7. Clear cache files in your console. 8. Recover corrupt game data.